Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So my dear friends, in this video I would like to discuss about admit card and exact and how to do prepare smartly in remaining days. Means you have about only 25 days remaining, okay? And in this 25 remaining days, how to prepare a smartly complete syllabus, what to read and what not to read. All these information I would recommend, and what what to do and what things you have to read. I would discuss everything in this video, okay? So my dear friends, first of all I would like to say UPSC already notified everything, okay? And the as far as admit card is concerned, then UPSC before prelims examination, means before 20 days of prelims examination, UPSC release admit card. So there is no doubt about it, okay? So before 20 days of prelims examination you will get your admit card, okay, on UPSC website, okay. And as far as what to read is concerned, then I am planning to cover all those topics which is extremely important for UPSC examination, especially for prelims examinations, because I already discussed everything, okay, which is important, okay. And I will deliver lecture on all the topics so that you get exact and to the point information, okay. Because sometimes we don't know what to read and what not to read, because the UPSC syllabus is so vast, okay. You know all these things, okay. And in this confusion, okay, you are not able to read, okay. Even you are in those confusions that how to tackle all the situation, how to tackle all those topics, okay. So I already categorize those topics, I already highlight those topics which is extremely important. Means my concern is I already select all those topics from where about 70 to 80% questions are asked, okay. 20% areas no one can guarantee this, okay, and no one can teach you everything, okay. Even a big, or you can say reputed coaching, can't guarantee these things, okay, and can't say from where all those 20 to 30 questions will be asked, okay. So my dear friends, I would recommend those important, or you can say extremely important topics from where you will get 70 to 80% questions, okay, in the prelims examination. My dear friends, you have to get selection, not command all those things, okay. This is unnecessarily things. Your focus should be on selection, okay, not study all the things, not to be PhD holder, okay. So my dear friends, only focus those area those areas which is extremely important. This is what we can say is a smart study. You already studied a lot of information, a lot of factual things, a lot of conceptual things. Okay, so this is the time in which you have to study only selected topics, only important topics. Okay, from where 70 to 80% questions are asked. So all those topics, all the we can say all the subjects from where maximum questions are asked, I will teach all those topics. I selected, okay, all those topics, and only I will teach you those topics so that you will get benefited from this from my lecture. Okay, so I hope you understand this thing, and from today onwards, okay, I will try to cover all those topics, because I have also very interested in these things, so that you and me also, okay, will get benefited from these things. So I hope you understand these things, and please support, okay, even recommend those in your in among your friends groups, share among your friends circle, okay, whoever in in your circles, try to spread those things, because my dear friends, my main intention, or you can say my main motto, is to help others heartily, okay, not outwardly. Innerly, my main intention is to help others. If you help others, definitely someone will help you also. Okay, if you have good intention, definitely someone will help you also. So your and even my intention should not be to deny, or you can say so, to destroy other. Okay, so my dear friends, this is extremely important to understand, to keep in your mind. If you help others, definitely someone will help you later or sooner. It is sure, okay, it is certain. So helping nature will always in your mind, okay, should be always in your mind, because I I personally feel that if you really, or innerly, or you can say uh, heartily help others, definitely someone, even divine, even God, in whatever terms you can relate, will help you, okay, later or sooner, but it is sure. Okay, so in your groups, try to help each other. Okay, whoever meet with you, definitely you have to help. Okay, so share among your friend circle. Okay, thank you.